Today I'm reviewing the Viking 1700 Camp portable car battery jump starter and power pack with 150 PSI air compressor. This is available at Harbor Freight for $199. It says it can jump start a weak or drained V8 gas engine or a V6 diesel engine in extreme weather conditions. It's got heavy duty clamps, 55-inch two AWG cables, master switch, rapid charge, 2.4 amp USB output, impact resistant rubber base, 150 psi air compressor, 12 volt DC outlet to power accessories. It's packaged really well. The box and everything looks pretty good. It comes with a few accessories for the air compressor on it. The unit itself is pretty heavy. Looks pretty durable. The rubber is pretty durable. Can be beat up pretty well, probably. Here's a look around of what it looks like. The back side has the air compressor settings on it. The front side will have an LED gauge on it that tells you how much voltage and the battery percentage on it. All right, looking at the unit itself, it does have an LED light that helps you work if you're in dark conditions. To me, the buttons aren't really too user friendly. You have to kind of push them and kind of figure out how to turn stuff on. You can see there, I pushed it a couple times. I'd actually press and hold it for the LED light. In a dark garage, you can see the LED light does have plenty of light for whatever you would need in an outside environment. It also can make the LED flash for some kind of a signal if you needed help. Looking at the unit here, you can see there is your accessory 12 volt adapter. With right below that, you have the USB port that's 2.4 amps. To turn the unit on, you just turn that knob to the right. It will show you how much voltage the unit currently has. It has a test button, the light USB buttons on the right of that, and also has an air compressor on it that you can use to pump up some tires. My biggest gripe with this unit, like I said before, is the actual usability of the unit. More likely than not, you're going to put this in your car or your garage, and you're only going to use it for emergency situations when you have that rare flat tire or your battery's dead. And I'd like to have a unit that is really easy to operate to where I could just look at it and figure it out. But you can see I had to kind of push buttons around and numerous times just to figure out how to turn on the light or the air compressor. So right now I'm pulling out the cord for the air compressor. We're going to try to figure out how to turn the air compressor on now. You can see I had 13 volts, 100% battery. Turning the unit around, the LED light on the air compressor did turn on. And we're going to go ahead and test out the air compressor right now. You can set what PSI you want on it and it'll automatically shut off, which is really nice. Right now we're going to turn on the air compressor so you can see how loud the unit is. Surprisingly, it is pretty quiet for how powerful the air compressor side is. So I do like how quiet it is. Charging it's pretty simple. Comes with a cord, you just plug it into the wall, take the other end, plug it into the unit. Once you plug it into the unit, you can flip it over to the other side and it'll tell you the percentage that it's charged the LED light. And as you can see, I just plugged it in. It says it's charging. It's currently at 60%. Seems like it charges pretty fast. So I'm not really sure if it actually charges to 100%, but you can see how the number just kind of goes up pretty fast, and within a minute or so, it's actually charged. For the price of $199, I don't know if I would necessarily recommend buying this unit or not. I think there's some better, cheaper options that are more user-friendly.